Ahoy there, I'm up. Well, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm sitting here a bench of Agatha Christie. This has not been here long. Here she is, and here's our little doggy. See it? And if you don't know Agatha Christie, I think everybody knows who she is. She writes crime novels, and apparently she's got a house. Well, she used to have a house in Torquay where she was born, but they knocked it down and they just put a blue plaque on it. But she has got a summer house in, oh, what's it, in Churston, Fishaker Green. It's beautiful. So if you ever want to go to her house, you can just have a look around. I'm talking a bit gobbledygook at the moment because of the weather. I'm quite hot actually. But not only this, Torquay's very beautiful. All this here, as you can see, is all new. They just done this not so long ago. So before it used to look a lot different. I've got a load of videos. Well, I've got one video what it used to be, what it used to look like. And here, as you can see here, this is used to be a famous department store, Debenhams. They used to have back in the day. But they're going to knock all this down, apparently. They're going to knock all this down, and they're going to build a hotel, 150 room hotel. They're going to put loads of shops here, and cafes. So it's really pretty. So if you've never been to Torquay, there's loads of things to do here. Okay. All along here, and they're going to knock all this down. So I'm going to show you in another picture about what it's going to look like. I don't know what this camera's for here. Let's see it. It's weird. Oh, I've never seen one of them before. Hello. They've got loads of cafes along here. Got loads of, there's the high street up there. And they've got all this around here, cafes, you name it. I suppose I'll show you the prices. Oh. No, they haven't got the prices here. Always watch something when they haven't got the prices up. So they've got prices here, along here. I try not to film anybody, but I can't help that. It's just public anyway, so you can film where you want, really. You've got the English Riviera information tickets. You get your tickets here. You've got loads of things to do. So if you're new here, you're on holiday, you've got all this here. So, and that's the bench I was just sat on. Oh yeah, 2 miles. You can visit Cockington. Cockington's very pretty actually. And you've got the steam train. Plus you've got the estate agents if you want to buy a house down or a holiday house. Ah, this is a good shop. Dress up. They love dressing up at Christmas time. New Year's they like dressing up, Christmas. So they all go out in fancy dress at New Year's. So if you ever want to come down New Year's. It's not dead New Year's. They've got loads of people dressing up in their costumes. So that's a good thing. You've got all this here.
So you never know though, it's ever
all these quirky shops. Fever tree. I remember all these as well. Yeah, when I was younger they used to have all this. And they used to have, I don't know whether you remember, they used to have Oh, what was it? We used to have loads of what's it? They used to have cigarette machines a long time ago. Where you get your cigarettes from. They don't do that now. They used to have them on the underground as well. This is the beautiful place. They're gonna. Oh, hello. Oh, what are they doing here anyway? What they're gonna build here inside? What they're doing here?
I don't think it's just repairs.
Oh, repairs.
Refurbishment,
Yeah. Is it going to be something? Entertainment?
I think the information's on the council website.
Right. Okay.
I
Yeah.
don't really know.
Yeah. It's a pretty building, though, isn't it? All right. Okay. Thank you for talking. He seems a nice man. He's just making it all, you know, repairs a lot. What's it? Pavilions. That's, oh, it's called the Pavilions. And you've got the taxi place over there. You've got loads of arcades. And I always see these like machines as well. Look, taking people's jobs away. You know, these the security machines. I mean, they used to have security men with their German shepherds, didn't they? And you've got all this. You've got over here. This is a pretty place. Over here, you've got the big wheel. You've got the fountain. Got loads of things for people to do. You don't have to have loads of money to come here. I mean, I suppose if you get ice creams and that with a family, that costs a lot. But the best way is buying ice cream and things like that. Going to the supermarket and get your ice lollies and that in there. I find it'd be a lot cheaper. And that's a bloke again. So you've got the big wheel. Hello again. Yeah, you can grab. You don't mind me filming, do you?
No, I don't. Do you mind us filming?
No, I don't mind. It's
Wicked.
free.
Right, so, Katie, do you want to... I'm from a group called Patriotic Millionaires, which is the most dreadful name, but we're talking to people about whether millionaires should pay more tax, which is what we all think. Millionaires don't pay enough tax.
Yeah.
And that working people are paying too much tax and we're not taxing the wealth enough.
Yeah, I think it should be fair. I think the millionaires should pay a bit more. Oh, that's what I think anyway. Right, I was talking to some lovely people. And they was talking about taxes and everything, and genuine people. Let's change the subject now. But they got the coffee, English Riviera, beautiful. Look at all these lovely yachts. Oh wow. Try not to get anybody in the film, but yeah, look at these. Would you like one of them? Right. Come and chat. What's that? Chat. Oh, ventures here. That's got the information centre there. Sunseekers. If you want to buy a boat, here look.
Yes, they're here.
Right, see how the prices are. 250,000. Ooh, it's a lot. It's only I can dream. Might bump into them again. Oh. Oh look, you've got like a fish and chip supper and evening cruise. That looks good. Adults £30, children 20. You'll probably get free fish and chips. Got the fish and chips that could be good for your father, your grandfather, your children. It's good for the birthday present or Father's Day. You've got a pasty and a pint and a packet of crisps. That's good. They've got loads of things to do here, and they got the wildlife thing, seafood, fish and chips. I said that. Yeah, all the same. Hello. Right, look at all that. That's good, isn't it? And apparently they do like if you're on holiday here, they do a ferry from Torquay to Brixham, Brixham to Torquay. So that's a ferry across instead of taking a bus. And they do like an open top bus as well. But I'd rather take the ferry across. You never know, you might see some dolphins. Right. That's good. Please. Oh, that's just mobility. If you've got anybody handicapped or something, you could take them on there. That's a good idea actually, because it's nice to get people that are in wheelchairs things to do, you know. So that's a good thing. But I think nowadays there's more for disabled people to do than the old days. So I'll just take you one more look at that, and there we go. Shall I see you next time. And my next adventures is Spain. Going to Spain in September, and I'm going to really enjoy myself, and I shall see you on the next adventures. But don't forget to put your thumbs up, hit that like, and subscribe. So bye. A bit shy.
That's all right.